Go.
Hi, Matt Nichols here with MrMaple.com, again with my brother Tim. We talked a little earlier about witch's brooms, and we're actually standing right below a little more commonly known one. In fact, you may have this one in your yard. Right above me here is the original Shaina. This is what became the cultivar Acer Palmatum Shaina, known for having a really amazingly bright red color. This little witch's broom here, as it started out, is quite big now. You can see some of the gnarly growth up in there. Shaina was originally found by Dick Wolf of Red Maple Nursery in the 80s, and this cultivar is now all over the world. You'll see it in many different locations. We're standing here on Villanova's campus, actually looking at the very original first one where it was found. In fact, you know, the first grafts were taken from this, and so all the Shainas everywhere you see have been propagated from this this broom here that occurred. Again, looking at the broom, you can see the dense traits of a witch's broom. It's a lot denser than the red upright. Earlier, looking at the Tiny Tim number 2, we had a green upright tree. Well, this is a red that the original tree came off of, and so you can see a lot of the density here. Again, with both of these brooms, they're a lot larger than what you see normally because these are very old brooms that have been around a while. Huge gnarly growth in there, but a really great tree. Shaina is an amazing cultivar, you know, sold all over the world now, and here's the starting point right here.